So the only thing you need to do is to paint an 8 in order to make a beautiful right turn.
Let's just dance in a happy little sky.
1, 2, 3, and
Hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en su rincón.
welcome to my salsa home. Today we're gonna paint our right turn. Alright, okay. 8. Why 8? Look, that's Tasia. Beautiful. So let's start. So the only thing we need to do is to make an 8, as I said, and we're gonna start from here, okay? So basically we start from the second half. So from here down, overhead, and then we can proceed this painting again.
That's right. That feels good.
Look what I mean. I give now right to her left, and I start from here, which here is our 1. So we do 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and then I do a crossbody lead inside turn. First of all, hands are like that connected, okay? Palm to palm, always palm to palm. I'm gonna do a video just about arm starting, okay? If you have other topics in mind, just write it into the comments. So guys, we do 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's it. So if you can paint an 8, you can do a beautiful right turn. Let's do it a little bit more from the other view. So now I do also my steps. We step on 1, of course, to make the right turn. Here, again, we start kind of in the middle. So we do 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Alright. Just keep in mind, guys, because I see it all the time. Guys that are taller than me, which is not a big thing, you know, because I'm 174, 175. But still, the guys, they're like 180, they're doing this, you know? And so they are extending their arms. They are extending their arms, which there is no need. Why? I can tell you why. Because when we do the right turn, this is the middle. Okay, and we do not go through or over this. Okay, there is a glass, there is a window, there's, you know, so we do this. Okay, so that's the half. Okay, so why do that wrong? They do that wrong because they are going into her space, dance space, because we have our dance space. Okay, so respect the ladies, they have their own dance space, and I do have mine.
This is my dance space, this is your dance space.
So everything I do in lead in the middle here of my dance space. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, that's the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So once more, the guys are leading instead of the middle, they're leading like that. And then it comes to an overextending arm, which doesn't look good. So there are little things which makes your dance not really stylish. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. Easy going. So I do a little bit from the side. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. So, and now let's try to implement that magic 8 or the painting into a fancy crossbody lead inside turn. We start always from the middle, okay? Do not whatever, okay? We start always from the middle. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, right turn. 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 5. So you have seen that I catch that hand now, and on 5 I leave that hand, which is important because maybe the leading, she needs to know where comes the leading from, like from my right hand or from my left. So check once more, I go really in detail now. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5. You see? I catch that hand and I leave that hand on 5 so that she knows, okay, this is now my leading hand. And now from here on, we do an inside turn for her. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. At 3, we have the connection with her right arm, and on 5, 4, 5, I leave that hand. So I do not put the hand on her shoulder, I just throw it kind of like, and I do kind of an air brush. Okay? So check once more. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay? Really important. As I do my 1, 2, 3, I'm going to the right. Check from here. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5. From here on, simple crossbody lead, inside and turn. Let's do it one more time with music. Okay. And then we finish. Okay? So just remember, this is the magic 8, not magic Mike. Magic 8. Let's do it all together with music, okay? And the music, I put it on the link below, calls La Casa. La Casa es mi casa, es tu casa, from Itai Chris. Peace. Wait. Let's go. And right.
Para tu corazón hice una casa, la he diseñado pensando en ti. Está llena de luz y en sus rincones flores en versos nace un jardín. Para tu corazón escribí esta canción y quiero que la cantes para mí. Dime que sí, que hasta las flores y el sol de la mañana preguntan por ti.
Guys, that's it for today. That was the Magic 8 with Tassia holiday from Kassel. Yes. So, try it, dance and feel it, and adeus, abraço para vosotros. Vosotros, como se llama, né? Vocês. Peace. Up, down. So, can you see it? Can the camera capture? Yes, no? So, the only thing you need to do is to paint an 8, and then you can do a wonderful right turn. So the only thing you need to do is to paint a right turn. That's it, and then you are able.
Let's just dance in a happy little sky.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Round number 8.
Keep your pants dry, your dreams wet, and remember, hugs not drugs.